Hey, what's up, guys? This is Fajay the King of Southside FX. All right. I want to quickly show you guys how to catch spikes using these powerful indicators, and of course, like I always emphasize on the need for you to understand um, how to trade the market using price action. All right, technical analysis has a lot to do with price action. Every trader in the world who is profitable has an idea of price action, no matter what other strategy they're working on, right? So I always emphasize the need to understand price action, to know how it works. If you don't know price action, please get somebody to train you, get somebody to mentor you, get somebody to show you how price action works, because that is the key. All right. So as you can see here on this trade, we are catching a couple of spikes. All right. We've seen the long spike here. All right, I'm going to show you how it works, but I want to appreciate everybody right now. I want to appreciate every one of you who has subscribed to my channel. If you have not done that, please do it already. And I'm going to tell you guys something right now. All right, if you give me 100 likes on this video in a day, if I see 100 likes today, I'm going to drop a big video. I'm going to show you guys how price action works. I'm going to show you guys how it works. All right, I want to see 100 views today, and I'll show you guys how price action works. I'll show you the key things to know as far as price action is concerned. It's very important you learn price action. Is very key. All right, I'm also open to any of you guys. If you have challenges, you want to reach out to me, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. I'm also going to drop our free Telegram link. All right, so you can join up and see what we're doing. All right, right here on the group, we are winning every single day. All right, we make profits every single day. There's no day that passes us by without making a lot of profit. So I want to urge you guys to be a part of what we are doing here. Please join us, join us. I'm saying this now because I know I won't have to tell you this, guys. I won't have to tell you this again, guys. All right, I won't have to say it much later. I don't even know where you guys are gonna see me much later in life. All right. Okay, so of course, I'm here to guide you guys. I'm here to groom you guys. Anybody willing to learn, you can enroll in our mentorship program. If you have somebody close to you who can also show you price action, how it works efficiently, you just do that. Make sure you do that, guys. All right. On our group, we're winning. Our VIPs are shining, making profits every single day. All right. I'm showing you guys this because I want to motivate you guys. I want to show you guys that Forex really pays. And with our approach, you can trade any financial market at all, be it stocks, be it crypto, be it currencies, whatever, just name it, whatever, guys. So let's go back to the main thing. All right. Okay, so right here, how do we catch spikes here? All right, how do we catch spikes? I will show you the indicator settings, but before then, let me quickly show you guys how this works. You see, you allow your moving average, the blue line on this indicator window, to converge around level 10, with the black line, that's the moving average. Yeah, right here. Okay, and then there will be a spike. All right, every time that happens, there's always a spike. All right, sometimes you want to see this black line come to the level here and you see a spike. All right, if I continue going, you will see how it happens. You want to have this blue line converge around this level 10, and there will be a spike, and you just catch a spike and leave the market. All right, so here again it converges around here, but this time it did not get to level 10. It's just around here, but there is a spike. All right, multiple spikes. All right, you can see it happens again here. All right, so you see it happens again right here. A spike. I can keep going and going and going. This is it. Converges around here. The black line here and the blue line here converges around level 10, and you see multiple spikes, guys. Multiple spikes. All right, you can see again here, the blue line here converges around here, level 10, with this other line, black line here, and then what do you see? Multiple spikes. This strategy works very well. It works very well. All right, you just have to be sure of what you are doing, and by that I mean you have to have a fair knowledge of price action. Okay, I don't care what's going on right now. I know there's going to be another spike. All right, so we'll make profits and leave the market. So yeah, um subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before. Like this video, like this video, like this video. Did I say 100 views? I didn't mean to say 100 likes. Okay, but okay, of course, if I have 100 likes today, if I have 100 likes in a day, I'm going to drop you guys a video explaining price action. All right, a clear video. I'm going to show you guys. I just might drop pre-recorded videos of my classes with my students. All right, students I mentor, a lot of them are already profitable. I just might drop one of the videos I recorded during their classes, during my classes with them. All right, so I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to make money. I don't want you guys to just depend on signals alone. I want everybody to have a fair knowledge of this thing, how it works, so that even when your signal provider is not there for you, all right, it can be there for yourself. All right, it can be there for yourself. Okay, so I'll show you guys how this works. I just have shown you already, but I'm going to show you the settings. All right, I'm going to show you guys the settings of these indicators. But price action, guys, I know I always emphasize this. Okay, so before I ever think of depending on these indicators, I already know the market direction on the higher time frame. I already know the areas where price usually reverse from. All right, how do you know that? Okay, you want to use your horizontal line, your Fibonacci levels, your moving average, your horizontal, whatever it is you use, all right, to identify your support and resistance. Okay, for boom, every boom pair, you want to be buying to catch spikes, and you don't want to be buying blindly. You want to make sure that the market is in your support area so you can buy, because you only buy from support and you only sell from resistance as far as the forex market is concerned. All right, so you want to see price at your support on the higher time frame and even down to the lower time frame. You want to see bullish candles on these levels. Yeah, you want to make sure that you see bullish candles on these levels. And then on this chart, the market is already on my before I think of looking at the indicators on the lower time frame, I've already seen the market on my support. All right, on all of the time frames, the market is already either it's just at my support level or around my support level, very close to my support level. All right, on every time frame. Okay, so as soon as that happens, I want to be seeing bullish candles, bullish rejections, and all of that. Okay, I will explain this if you guys meet the target. If you guys give me 100 likes in one day, all right, I'm going to explain how all of this works. All right, I'm going to do it on another video. I'm going to do it and make sure that I explain everything, show you guys how price action works. Okay, so if I am on the charts, I want to catch spikes, I want to see the market on a higher time frame. I want to see the market show me some higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. That means that the price or that the market is in an uptrend. Remember I said for boom, you want to be buying when the market is in a support, and of course you want to be buying when the market is in an uptrend. You cannot be riding against the trend. You want to be buying when the market is in an uptrend. You want to be selling when the market is in a downtrend. So for boom, for you to catch spikes, you want to be buying. And how do you buy? You buy when the market is in an uptrend and also when the market is in your support area. Okay, so all of these have been met, and then the next thing you want to do is go to your indicators and observe what I said before. All right, as soon as you've seen all of those conditions met, uptrend, support area, price is there, bullish candles, bullish rejections, possibly on all the time frames if need be. All right, and then you come here, you see the blue line here, allow it converge on this area, and then boom, take your trade, guys. Take your trade and make profits, make a lot of profit. All right, this works almost 100%. It doesn't work every time because this is forex, nobody owns the market, but trust me, this strategy is very effective, and if you follow it judiciously, you are going to definitely make a lot of profit for yourself. You're going to make a whole lot of profit for yourself. All right, so this video doesn't have to be very long. I want to make it as short as possible. All right, so I will go ahead and show you guys the indicator settings right now. This is it. On your main chart, you want to be using period, your moving average, period 7, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. You can use any color of your choice. That depends on you. All right, but make sure it's clear and visible on your screen. All right, you just click done after you're done with that, and then go to relative strength index. All right, same period 7, apply to close this time around. Styles 2 pixel, black color, I'm using black color this time. All right, see the levels 90, 10, 70, and 30. All right, you can decide to label them, but I don't really do that. Okay, so you're done with that. You just simply click done, and then you go back and add the moving average again on your indicator window this time around. All right, period 7, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel, and you don't need levels for this one. In color, you can use any color of your choice. Remember, this is the one on my indicator window. The blue line, I told you guys, if it converges around level 10 with the other line. All right, so that's that, guys. Just click done and we're good. All right, we're good. So you see that, guys? Another goddamn spike. That was another big spike. That was another long spike. All right, told you guys, this works almost every time. All right, you see, this time around price was just around level 30 here, and it still spiked. All right, imagine if it had gotten to level 10 to be a longer spike, guys. So yeah, that's that for this video. I don't want it to be very long. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done that before. Thumbs up, drop good reviews. For those of you in my VIP, I really appreciate you guys for trusting me, and of course you guys are having value, and I really am happy that everybody is testifying. All right, so give me 100 likes today on this video. I want to see 100 likes in a day, and I'll give you guys a clear video of how price action works. Peace.